How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Gaia Ultra Nuzlocke. In the last episode, we started our journey here, and we picked our starter Snipe, the Piplup. Yes, we picked Snipe, the Piplup. Also yesterday, I made a bad job of explaining the rules. They will be in the description of the video. So yeah, I played the beta of this game, also the full game 2 times. One time I played myself and another time my brother. Also we doesn't have any Pokeball, so we can kill this Zigzagoon. Also I'm not gonna do any off-screen grinding. If I am gonna do a grinding, I'm gonna show it in the video, because in case if my Pokemon faints, I don't wanna do that. So yeah. Also, the 2 times I played this game, the 2 times I picked Piplup because it's the best starter, obviously. Okay, we are at Archon Town now. So obviously it is the best starter. Also because we can get a free Charizard if we choose Piplup. So yeah. Also we can get an Venusaur. Hey Mad, you made it! Mo and I were just discussing the gifts I have for you. Like I said, at the Salento town I need help. At the moment, the two of you aren't prepared. So to get you started, I made you this. They are your own personal care package. Take your Mad. Also Fairy type and Assault Vest in this game. Carry package. And also you, Mo. Go ahead, open them. Okay, let's open bag. Also in the beta there are so many trainers. Let's open it. And we got the Optus Pokédex, town map and Pokeballs. You got the set of gear now. The Optus Pokédex records data on Pokemon you capture. The town map is map of the Outburst region. In case you guys don't know, Pokemon Gaia is my favorite ROM hack along with Glazed. I like ROM hacks when they have new region in them. This map, it's handy for navigation. The Redwood card officially makes you members of my research team. We got the Pokeballs, potions. Remember, okay. Okay, Archon Town, huh? So mad. So I'm gonna get my encounters now. So let's go and get our encounters. It's obviously no, we are Salantapath. Let's get our encounter. It is a Zigzagoon. Let's go for an pound. Zigzagoon is trash. Wow! We lost our first encounter. Nice. So, is this route 1? No, we lost our encounter for this route. Ah, shit. Also, Gen 6 Pokemon, since the Fairy type. Okay, I think Bunnelby only knows agility. Yes, I think it only knows agility. So, we can kill it freely. Also, critical hits are nerfed in this game because of Gen 6 mechanics. So critical hit doesn't do double damage. Also let's heal up because this is an effing Nuzlocke. So if I lost this Nuzlocke, I'm gonna restart it. I'm gonna play it until I win. So this playthrough might be the longest one. This might be, I think, 1 year or 1 month. Okay, our encounter loaded. Found. Okay, we done absolutely half. Okay, another pound doesn't kill it, right? Yes, nice. Let's go for an Pokeball. Let's go. This Ultra Lock begins. Okay, we caught Amon. Also, we got experience for catching Pokemon. Also, in this morning, I'm wondering if can I ever use Ludicolo, because I'm changing Johnston's video and we got Amon as our encounter. So, I'm on. Come on, Amon. Amon is back. So, let's get down. Is there any trainers? No. So, let's heal up. So, yeah. Let's heal up. Also, Amon doesn't get any nice news. So yes, can we buy repels? I will do off-screen rendering, but I will be careful to don't get any of our Pokemon killed. Oh, they are selling repels on the first town. I will get all of them. 6. Also, we don't need any potions because we are not gonna use it in battles and not in any routes. What took you so long? Oh well, it doesn't matter. Let's have a battle. Don't hold back, Mad. Here you go, Mad versus Mo. And Mo sent out his Turtwig. Let's go for an growl. Okay, let's go for pound. Ah, it's very hard to take out that thing. Jackal can't miss because. Let's go pound. Wow, it's very hard to defeat this Turtwig. Yes, that will do it. A critical effing hit. Yes. Oh, we almost got to level 8. What? How did I lose? I can't believe it. I lost. Oh well, I'll see you later. Alright. So I'm gonna heal up because you know the rules. We can't heal up a route until we get out of it. So we can't heal up in the. What is that? And that's the first episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Gaia. Sorry, these episodes are very short, but yeah, because of time saving, I am doing that. And that's the first episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Gaia Nuzlocke, Ultra Nuzlocke. Peace.